guess what? Hey, how you doing? Oh, dear. I don't think I said that in my last 2 videos. I normally do. Oh, whatever. It is what it is. So, it's definitely either going to be this one or the next one. Well, if this is not my last video before today, then, because I want to do, it's supposed to rain sometimes, I want to take the dogs out just for a little walk. So, we'll see how long we're going to do for this for a bit. And, yeah. See how this goes. There. Get that down further. There. Can't wait for this to be a kopesh. Can't wait to chop some wood with this thing. It's a sword for bashing and crushing and stabbing and slicing. It's all nice and directly into one. This weapon, oh this weapon, is carving clear and slice. Throw your opponent down, on there with the spine. Oh, it's a sword that can do a lot. Fuck! Ah, damn it. That sucks. Oh. Can't fucking. I couldn't think of a good enough lyric at the time to keep the flow. That would rhyme with lot. And I should have said got. I should have said gotcha. But now I'm too pissed off myself to fucking finish. Oh. That was a nice little dindy for a bit. Fucking listen, everything you could do. Whatever. Maybe I got some free time there and I start thinking about it. Maybe. Maybe I'll finish. If you guys are wondering what the hell I'm fucking saying, it's the song. I just fucking was just singing about it. I don't know. Oh my god. This is getting good. No fucking time there, everybody. Fucking Christ sake. Oh well. I got the flat of the blade I want for this. This is the thick part of the blade. Actually, once I get this lit up here. Oh shit. Thinking without doing on the fucking rail is not good. Fuck. I hate that. We have a good fucking idea, but your metal is right on the fucking anvil, so you gotta fucking keep fucking hammering. You can't spend time to think. Thinking isn't there. Hard. But this is me reworking through my fucking good skill. You know. I made one the kopesh I did made. Was from this kind of steel there, except it was hardenable and not mild like this guy. But it was the same thickness and the same in length, basically. Yeah. So that's what I made the first one out of. And I didn't make a video for it because it was for a Christmas present. So I'm doing the exact same thing I did with this guy. Sorry, yeah, this guy. Yeah, actually. With this other piece of bar here. Yeah, this is mild. I gotta remember that. I use this one for my Damascus there, so I know this is mild. So, yeah. But anyway, yeah. So everything I did the exact same way, except this is taking so much longer than I remember. Because I'm like, I remember being this far, but I was like, wait a minute. I was using very thin, very malleable steel. Which, this is what I'm probably going to make my claymore out of. Yeah. Despite my better judgment, I have an anvil I got for Christmas there, and I need to make a stand. However, this fucking thing's going to be so fucking heavy, I can't do it in the shop. So I'm going to have to take the other anvil I got, make a stand for it this summer too, and that's what I'm going to be making my claymore then. I'm going to buy another piece of steel that's actually a bit more narrower. So that way I can actually get a bit of a tension going when with it. Because, yeah, that's going to be another project somewhere down the line. Maybe like a June or July kind of project there, because August there's going to be a portion up there. I'm going to be out west. I'm going to make a little bit of videos there for me traveling. Yeah. So that's going to be interesting. Yeah. Yeah. That's going to be kind of fun. That's going to be really fun. I'm actually excited for that. Not too often that your niece, your first niece, gets married before the other fucking three. Actually, no. Sorry, probably the other two, but, you know. The nephew's having a baby before he gets married, so he's, yeah. I understand that. That actually makes a lot of sense. But that's neither here nor there. They're gonna want to be in part. They're gonna be probably want me in my travel videos, so that's gonna be a thing. No wonder my arms getting fucking tired. I'm used to fucking. Okay. You know what? Whatever. Yeah. Man, I can't wait to do the handle, because that's going to be a fun fucking thing to do. Yeah, the handle is going to have... The reason why the kopesh is just... I want to do that again, because the handle I made for the last one was a pretty fucking good replica, and I couldn't make a video on it. So, I can't wait to make my other fucking hourglass style fucking wood handle. Because that's the type of handle it would have originally had. And so it would look like the pyramids. I did that for the last one. I want to do it for this one because, oh, that was good. But yeah, no, this might be my last video because my arms are cramping now, so I don't want them to be too useless for tomorrow. And there's no sense using all my propane in the first day. You know what I mean? I know I bought a big tank, but yeah. yeah. There, let's just use the residual heat from it. We'll just leave it in there. Let it kind of normalize for a bit. So, yep. Oh. Well, that was a fun, productive first part of this set. You know what? I'm going to make so many sets of this one. Probably. Because, holy crap. This is going to be fun. Alright, I hope you guys like this little set of videos here. Give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Peace.